Snow, 4 points. Mistletoe, 5. Today I want to introduce a fun game that you can play with your students. It's a PPT and it uses music. I put a link in the description down below. Once you join the email group, you gain access and you can download this PPT. It's really fun. It's called Last One Standing. You pick a song. It shows 10 words. The students write down a word, then they stand up. The music will play, and then as soon as one of the words is sung, it gets a circle around it. The students then have to sit down and give themselves a point. So if they sit down first, they only get 1 point. If the word is second, they get 2 points, 3 points, 4. The aim of the game is to be the last one standing, because then they get 10 points. This is a time-wasting game. There is no added value. It uses 30 songs, some of them quite old, but the students like it because it is fun, it's interesting, and it's just all about luck. Okay, so this game is called Last One Standing. You want to be the last one to stand. Choose one word, write the word, stand up, sit down when you hear your word. Immediately write your point next to it. Okay, first person gets 1 point, second point, 3 points. 10 points for the team with the last person standing. Okay, so these are the songs. These are the songs. We have Mariah Carey, All I Want for Christmas Is You, Lemon Tree, I Just Called to Say I Love You, I Got a Feeling, Baby, Justin Bieber, Hey Jude. Pick a song. What song do you want to try? All I Want for Christmas Is You. Here are 10 words. I want you to write down one word. Then everyone will stand up and the song will play. If your word is circle, sit down and write down your point immediately. So if sleigh bells is first, you get 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points. Wish, 2 points. Quickly write down 2. Snow, 4 points. Mistletoe, 5. 6. North Pole, 8. 9. And 10. Excellent. Oh God. Let's pick another song. Did everyone write down your score? No cheating. Please check your partner for cheating.